Welcome back to Sam Official Tech, where we explore the latest trends in technology and innovation that are shaping our future. In today's video, we'll be looking at the incredible role that machines play in boosting our productivity across various sectors. From agriculture to logistics, construction to healthcare, these machines are transforming industries, helping us grow our work, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Stay tuned to discover how these technological advancements are changing the game. Robotic Process Automation (RPA) is revolutionizing office environments by automating repetitive tasks such as data entry, document processing, and report generation. These bots work tirelessly to handle mundane tasks, freeing up employees to focus on higher-value work. With the integration of RPA, companies can significantly increase their efficiency and scale their operations without the need for additional manpower. Drones have become a game-changer in the agricultural sector. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, they help farmers monitor crops, assess soil conditions, and even spray pesticides with pinpoint accuracy. By using drones, farmers can manage larger areas of land with less effort, resulting in increased yields and more sustainable farming practices, leading to overall growth in agricultural production. The rise of smart factories, driven by the Internet of Things (IoT), is reshaping the manufacturing landscape. These connected machines communicate in real time, allowing manufacturers to track production, predict maintenance needs, and optimize resource usage. With such efficiency, manufacturers can meet rising demands, reduce waste, and expand their capacity to produce goods on a global scale. Automated logistics systems are helping companies optimize their supply chains with greater precision. From self-driving trucks to automated storage and retrieval systems, machines are working around the clock to move goods efficiently. This has reduced shipping times and improved inventory management, enabling companies to scale their operations and serve a broader market more effectively. Artificial intelligence (AI) in healthcare is helping professionals make faster, more accurate diagnoses and treatment plans. Machines equipped with AI can analyze vast amounts of medical data, detect patterns, and offer insights that would take humans much longer to uncover. This level of precision is transforming patient care, making it possible for healthcare providers to treat more patients while maintaining high standards of care. In the construction industry, automation is rapidly transforming how buildings and infrastructure are developed. Machines such as automated bricklaying robots, 3D printing construction systems, and drones for surveying are speeding up project timelines and improving accuracy. As companies adopt these technologies, they can take on larger projects, complete them faster, and significantly grow their business. Retailers are turning to AI to enhance the customer shopping experience. AI-powered recommendation engines analyze customer preferences and buying behavior to offer personalized product suggestions. With machines handling personalized interactions at scale, retailers are able to offer a unique shopping experience for each customer, improving customer loyalty and boosting sales. Autonomous vehicles are on the verge of revolutionizing the transportation industry. Whether in the form of self-driving cars, trucks, or delivery drones, machines are set to make transportation faster, safer, and more cost-effective. As companies adopt autonomous fleets, they'll be able to scale their operations by reducing labor costs and optimizing delivery times. AI is helping marketers optimize their campaigns by analyzing consumer data and targeting ads more precisely than ever before. Machines process vast datasets to identify trends and behaviors, allowing companies to create highly personalized marketing strategies that resonate with their audience. By using AI, businesses can improve their conversion rates and grow their customer base. Precision medicine is a rapidly evolving field where AI-driven machines analyze genetic, environmental, and lifestyle data to provide tailored medical treatments. This approach ensures that patients receive the most effective therapies based on their individual needs. As more healthcare providers adopt precision medicine technologies, they can scale their services and offer better care to a larger number of patients. Robotic welding machines are increasing the speed and accuracy of metal fabrication processes in industries such as automotive and aerospace. These machines can work continuously, performing complex welds with minimal errors, which significantly reduces production times. By implementing robotic welding solutions, manufacturers can increase output and expand their production capabilities. In the financial sector, AI is automating everything from fraud detection to loan approval processes. Machines can analyze financial data much faster than humans, enabling companies to process transactions and identify risks more effectively. This automation allows banks and financial institutions to serve more customers while maintaining security and efficiency. Mining companies are adopting autonomous machines to extract resources from the earth with greater precision and fewer risks. Automated drills, haul trucks, and processing systems operate with minimal human oversight, ensuring that operations are safe and efficient. By embracing automation, mining companies can increase their output and expand into new territories more confidently. Robotic systems are transforming warehousing and fulfillment centers by automating the storage, retrieval, and packing of products. These machines are equipped with AI and vision systems, allowing them to handle tasks with extreme precision. As a result, companies can fulfill orders faster, reduce labor costs, and improve the accuracy of their inventory management, leading to substantial growth in logistics operations. AI is changing how companies manage recruitment by automating resume screening, candidate matching, and even conducting initial interviews. Machines can quickly analyze thousands of applications, filtering candidates based on qualifications and fit. This speeds up the hiring process, enabling businesses to grow their teams more effectively and stay ahead of their competition. Self-driving tractors, seed planters, and harvesting machines are helping farmers optimize their agricultural practices. These machines operate autonomously, performing tasks with precision that was previously impossible. Drones have become a game-changer in the agricultural sector. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, they help farmers monitor crops, assess soil conditions, and even spray pesticides with pinpoint accuracy. By using drones, farmers can manage larger areas of land with less effort, resulting in increased yields and more sustainable farming practices, leading to overall growth in agricultural production. The rise of smart factories, driven by the Internet of Things (IoT), is reshaping the manufacturing landscape. These connected machines communicate in real time, allowing manufacturers to track production, predict maintenance needs, and optimize resource usage. By adopting these technologies, farmers can increase their crop yields, improve sustainability, and expand their operations to feed growing populations more efficiently. Artificial intelligence is playing a key role in content creation by automating video editing, blog writing, and social media management. AI-driven tools generate content faster and more accurately, allowing businesses to scale their digital marketing efforts without hiring large teams. By leveraging these tools, companies can create more content, engage a wider audience, and grow their brand presence. That wraps up today's video on Sam Official Tech. As you can see, machines are not just tools of convenience, they are essential drivers of growth across multiple industries. By adopting these technologies, businesses can expand their capabilities, scale their operations, and remain competitive in an increasingly automated world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. See you in the next video.